While home values have increased, many incomes have not. Manufactured homes offer an affordable option to site-built homes. Plus, the time needed to install the home is drastically reduced, allowing the homeowner to move in quickly.
I'm Roy Henly with Henly Homes. I started the business in 2000. Since then, the business has grown quite big, which is a huge benefit for our customers. They can view all of our homes in one location. We've seen a huge increase in people choosing to buy a manufactured home over a stick-built home due to the cost of a manufactured home is significantly less. We found out approximately half the price of a regular site-built home. I think the biggest advantage of buying a manufactured home is not having to wait on build time and the significant savings that an individual will have over a site-built home.
Nearly 3/4 of American adults view homeownership as a top hallmark of achieving the American dream, and a manufactured home can get you there.
I think the biggest misconception of a manufactured home to this day compared to years ago is the build quality and the longevity of the home. Years ago, the material used for homes was not near on the quality level they are to this day. As a matter of fact, a lot of the lenders at banks that give loans to our customers like to see it as the home needs to last on a 30-year note, at least at minimum, and these homes will do that.
Home buyers can face tough challenges in today's housing market. Steep prices, elevated mortgage rates, and a shortage of homes for sale.
The biggest difference between us and my competitors is we are one of the largest dealers in Texas. That is the big advantage for our customers coming to see these homes, which we have several homes located all in one location they can walk through. Another big advantage we have is we own our own construction company, which just allows us to be in total control of hooking up our customers' utilities without having to wait months for subcontractors. One of the big services that we provide that most other dealers do not is we have our own service crew. So if you have a problem with it, whether it's service or warranty work, you call us directly. You don't call the plant where the home is made and wait on a subcontractor. You're dealing with actually a Henly Homes employee that's going to come out and repair your home. We have several financing options, starting from the new home buyer, people with some challenge credit, all the way up to people that have really good credit. We have options for everyone.
Henly Homes offers a full-service, one-stop approach to getting you in a home quickly and within your budget.
Within the last several years, we've noticed more and more people buying manufactured homes over site-built homes. And I think one of the biggest differences that everybody's noticing is the, once again, build quality and the huge price difference. You're talking about half the price of a site-built home. The time to build a manufactured home is, sometimes it's usually 3 to 6 weeks on average from the time that we get your order in to the time they deliver the home to us. And within a week after the home is delivered to us from the manufacturer, we usually have it on your property. I think the main reason behind our success and growth as a dealer is we've always kept the price of our homes below our competition. At Henly Homes, our sales staff will make you feel right at home. They will go above and beyond to make sure you are in the right home for you and your family. We actually encourage our customers to shop around. That way they can see how much cheaper we are than our competitors. I think another reason why I've been so successful is I have a great staff that has my back, and it just feels like a big family environment.
If you're looking for more information about manufactured home options, visit their website, henlyhomes.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.